Hello KW Metro South. Today I wanted to go over smart plans for our red day coming up on May the 14th. So we're on our applets to the left on smart plans. We're going to go up to the library. We're going to choose library, and in the search bar we're going to type KWMS, and you can type red, and KWMS Red Day Smart Plan will come up right here. You can click on View the Steps. When you set this to your clients, it's going to send them an email immediately. It's going to ask you to make a call 3 days later, and then 3 days after that, it's going to send a text. You click right here, it shows you what the text is going to say if you have it set up on your Twilio account. If not, you will get the reminder to send this text personally through your phone, which you can copy and paste. So all we do here is click Add Smart Plan, and you can rename it if you like, or we can leave it as My KWMS Red Day. We're going to click Download. Now that smart plan is in my library, so right here on my KWS Red Day 2026, all I do is click on the actions to the right. I can add people. I can add them by tags. Say if I want everybody on my sphere, I can just close this, select all, and everybody that I have tagged as sphere or past client or whatever you want to tag, whoever you want to send this to, add the smart plan, and it's set it, forget it. Now they will have a list and a reminder to help you out with Red Day. This Red Day Smart Plan has some checklist items that we need on May 14th. So good reason to reach out to your database, set it, forget it. So if you have any questions, please reach out. KevinJonesRealty@gmail.com.